Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anthony on Demand. I wanted to show you guys a quick video on how to properly video edit so that you can get some better content uploaded to YouTube. So with that being said, let's get started. I'm going to be showing you a full list of what to do to make your content look better, so definitely watch through the whole video and definitely remember to subscribe so that I could be your helpful hint, tips, tricks on getting better YouTube videos uploaded. I have these 4 clips right here just to show you guys a quick little example. I wanted to just briefly show you guys what it takes to edit the clip. Maybe you want to shorten it up a little bit, speed it up a little bit. Maybe you want to add a little bit of music, change the music on something, cut out the sound, separate the sound. We'll go through all that right now. So pretty much you're going to want to just drag these videos down, whatever order that you're putting them in. I'm just going to do them how they are right here and just make that quick. And then I usually like to kind of go through and see where there's any dead zones, cut those out. For instance, say you want to go right here and you found a spot where you're not really talking or you don't need it in your video. So what I like to do is just like kind of play through it and see what the dead zones are like. Dead zones meaning like where you're not really talking or you don't need it in your video. I'll give you an example of what I'm talking about. So you're kind of just like, kind of just thinking, see, it's something that you want to cut out of the video. You don't need that in the video when you're just pausing, you're not knowing what to say. So what I like to do is go to that clip, say for instance, it's right here. The time on the right side right here will show you where you are in the clip. I like to use that. You just click it, edit where the time is that you want it to start by clipping it right here with the scissors. Just split that and then play it and then find out where the time is exactly as well, as close as you could get it to, and then type that in just so that it sounds a lot more smoother. So then play it, figure it out where you're wanting to stop it, and then say for instance you want to stop it right there. You're like, oh, okay, that's close enough that I'm going to get it to, so you clip it right there, and then go to the top. It's a little window that you probably can't see because of what I'm using to record this. Just go simply to cut, move everything over. For an example, say you're moving these over and you accidentally go, oh shoot, I accidentally went over that video clip, so now it's not gonna have it because it took it over. Go to this left side right here where it says undo it until you found where you want it. Okay, say you went a little too far, then go over. So that's how you undo the things of what you don't want. And then for instance, say you're wanting to speed a clip up. We'll speed up this part. So you have to highlight the clip and then go to this little speedometer where it looks like it would go into a car. And then it says speed, slow, fast, normal, freeze frame, and then reverse. So you could actually reverse the video, which is kind of cool, or you could do custom speed, which is what I like to do. Go to custom speed. You could do, I'd say 5 speed is about right. Like that's probably what you're gonna look to do. Just because it's any faster or slower, it may be blotchy and it might not look good. But anyways, and you can also, when you're doing that, doing the custom speed, you could do how long you want it to last, which is kind of cool. So just say, for instance, we want it to last 3 seconds. So it's only going to be 2 times fast. It will actually do that as well. So if you don't know what kind of speed you want it to last, but you know how long you want it to last, just type in the duration and it'll customize the speed for you, or you could customize the speed and it'll tell you how long it's going to last, which is nice. But anyways, we'll just do the 3 seconds just to keep it like that. And then I like to play it just to see how it looks. Go to play, see, it's kind of nice. That's partially blotchy because of how the video is, but and then say you want to separate the sound. So you click on the clip because maybe you're fast forwarding something and you don't want it to have the noise. So right click and then go to detach audio. It's about in the middle of the little menu bar if you can't see what I'm doing. Just because of what I'm using to record this, it doesn't necessarily show everything that pops up in a window. But just detach the audio. Say you want to move it over to play with this, and then you detach that audio. But for this video, we'll just cut it out. So now you have nothing right there. So what I like to do, go to audio. One of my favorite kind of songs to just play. It's something that's kind of goes with most videos that I do. Let's just do this song, and then drag that down here. My favorite thing is that it shows you where the clip is going to be. So it shows you the little line of where that clip's going to start that you're dragging it to, and then they'll show you that other line for the next part of the beginning of the next clip, which is really, really cool. But anyway, say you want to just do that, and then say this clip is so long that you're like, I don't want to scroll over. Well, go to the top right here where it has a little time, left click, and then just drag it to the right, and it'll make everything really small. And then you can go to this and then drag it so that it makes it really nice and small, and then go back up here and drag it all the way so that you can see everything, and then make it nice and tidy right in there. And then what I like to do is, just to make sure that it's nice, preview the clip with the song in there. So give it a nice little clip, boom, it's done. Okay, so now say you want to do like a title, like a lower third, like of when you're talking and you want to say, this is a computer that I'm talking about, blah 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 blah. You want to have at the bottom saying like, this is the Acer Nitro 5, and you just put that right at the bottom so people know what you're talking about. Say, because you want to point that out in that clip, that's what you're mainly talking about. And I like to use this one right here, so we'll drag that and just scroll that right over. And then to edit that lower third text, go to these three little lines right here, edit that right there. But before you edit it, go to the actual, like, where the clip is with it showing, so you could see where it's positioned. So because you can actually move it on over. So say you want it up here, so that's not in the way of that subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Move that right there. Then you can edit, and now you can edit the text and say, hello there, and see how it doesn't fit. So you want to go, okay, I'm gonna move this bad boy right on over. Now it looks a little bit more clean. Say you wanted to change the color on there, you just go back, change the color. We'll go to green, just to show you that you can change it. And then what I like to do after doing a few editing things is kind of review the whole thing again and just see what is missing in it. Maybe you need to add a transition. Try to limit your transitions to maybe 2. Most people don't want to see their head spinning a bunch of times. I've kind of learned that from my first couple weeks of doing videos as a tip of what not to do. And then I would say do maybe a special effect on some clips, but not a lot of clips. Kind of leave that towards some video, or towards like the pictures that maybe you want to edit. But for the most part, don't add like useless like footage in a video. You want to cut out all that stuff, because it makes it to where the video looks a lot smoother. You want it to kind of look like a movie. You don't want to have the audience falling asleep. You want to have them paying attention. It's like a lecture at school. You don't want the teacher blabbering on about some useless crap. But anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, because I always appreciate that. Leave a comment down below. And then, if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I highly appreciate it. And I will catch you on that next video that I will be posting up tomorrow, because I do daily uploads. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys later. Anthony out.